The Yamaha TW200 has a reputation that very few small dual sports can match. And in 2026, it continues to be one of the most charming, practical, and confidence-inspiring motorcycles you can buy. This bike isn't built for speed or flashy specs. It's built for fun, stability, and pure go-anywhere freedom. That's exactly why so many riders call it the two-wheeled quad. At the heart of the TW200 is a simple 196cc air-cooled four-stroke engine. It's nothing complicated, nothing high-tech, just a reliable SOHC motor designed to last forever with basic maintenance. It delivers around 16 horsepower and 15 newton-meters of torque, enough for trail riding, city cruising, and light adventure trips. Pair that with a 5-speed gearbox, and the TW becomes incredibly easy to ride, especially for beginners. But the real magic of this bike is in those big, fat tires. A 130/80/18 up front and a huge 180/80/14 at the back, these give the TW200 insane stability on loose surfaces, sand, mud, gravel, and even rocky trails. You don't fight the terrain, you glide over it. This is why many riders say the TW feels more like a mini ATV on two wheels. It's confidence boosting in every sense, especially for new riders or anyone who wants a friendly, predictable machine. The low 31.1-inch seat height and low center of gravity make it even more approachable. Whether you're short, tall, experienced, or brand new to bikes, you instantly feel in control. And the weight, just 278 pounds wet, keeps it manageable in the city or off-road. The suspension and brakes are simple, a hydraulic front disc and a rear drum. Nothing extraordinary, but perfectly matched for the TW's purpose. It's not meant to be pushed hard on highways, and most owners agree that 45 to 55 miles per hour is the comfortable cruising zone. Yes, it can hit up to 66 to 73 miles per hour, but that's not where this bike shines. The TW is happiest exploring back roads, dirt paths, and hidden trails that bigger bikes avoid. Fuel economy is another strong point. Yamaha claims up to 78 miles per gallon, and even if real-world numbers are lower, it still sips fuel. With a 1.8-gallon tank, it's cheap to run and perfect for daily commuting or weekend rides. And because the design hasn't changed much since 1987, parts are easily available, and maintenance is straightforward. This bike is known to last decades. In terms of value, the new 2026 model starts around $4,999, and used TW200s still hold their price extremely well. Older but clean models often sell above $2,500, proving just how strong the fan community is. Whether in black or Yamaha blue, the TW200 keeps its classic, rugged look. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha TW200 is not about speed, power, or modern electronics. It's about simplicity, durability, and pure fun. It's the bike you take when you don't know where the road leads, or if there is even a road. For beginners, explorers, campers, city riders, and anyone wanting a low-maintenance dual sport that feels friendly from the very first ride, the TW200 remains one of the best choices out there.